Hello, this video is about a new double-sided waffle openwork knit with a fine vertical double layer structure. The first layer in the foreground is these voluminous vertical loops, and in the background in the second layer are these paths with purl decreases. The wrong side can also be the front. The scheme consists of 5 loops and 4 rows. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side. Repeat pattern is, purl 1, make a yarn over loop, purl 2, make a yarn over loop. Again, purl 1, yarn over, purl 2, yarn over. Continue knitting like this until the end of the row. Row 2 right side, repeat pattern is, slip 1, knit 4. Again, slip 1, knit 4. Continue knitting like this until the end of the row. Row 3 wrong side, purl 1, knit 2 together with a slope to the right, and knit 2 together with a slope to the left. Again, purl 1, knit 2 together with a slope to the right, knit 2 together with a slope to the left. Continue knitting like this until the end of the row. Row 4 right side, repeat pattern is, slip 1, knit 2. Again, slip 1, knit 2. Continue knitting like this until the end of the row. I present to you a double-sided openwork, highly embossed and delicate waffle knit. It's similar to the one I showed you a few days ago in the way of knitting these knots on the back layer. It is an ideal choice for summer clothes and accessories as both sides can be right. I highly recommend it. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.